Welcome, here I've got Realme 8i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button, so we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick settings at the last position, so we can open camera settings. And here at the first place we can see the watermarks, so let's tap on them to get access to the right button where we can turn it on and turn it off easily as we need by just tapping on it. And here, as you can see, you can manage the author name, watermark information and the size. You have also short preview how it looks like at the picture, and the watermark should appear at the center of it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.